Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Ebooks and I want to tell you right now in this video about the trending colors I've picked out for next year. That's right, we're already getting from the middle to the end of the year. We've just passed the halfway point and now I'm bringing you the colors I've picked out as trends for next year. Each one is more beautiful than the last for you to paint both the inside and outside of your house. Let's get to the video. You know that at this time of year, I always bring you colors, trends, models, and types to give you options so you can choose beautiful colors to paint your house. And I've picked out a few here, each one more beautiful than the last. You're going to like them, you're going to enjoy them, I'm sure. These are colors that are going to be a hit, colors that will be super trendy for next year. Let's go, let's check them out. The first color, guys, is Winter Light. This one is a shade that really resembles sand color, kind of like Papel Picado. It's a very soft, very light shade that you can use to paint the inside of your house, like a wall or something, and even the front of your house. Winter Light was the first option I picked out for you here. It's in the yellow palette, believe it or not, it's in the yellow palette here. It's a neutral shade that I can tell you about that you can use to paint both the inside and outside of your house, okay? It's a very beautiful color. It goes well with darker shades of brown, okay? You could use it to paint 3 interior walls of your house and then choose one wall to paint with a darker brown. It looks great. It looks awesome. This color here really reminds you of sand tones, as well as beige and Papel Picado tones, for example, okay? A lighter one, a little softer, but it really reminds you of it. So this is the first color I picked out for you here. It's super trendy, a new color that you might like, Morning Light. I just talked about Winter Light, now I'm talking about Morning Light. Look at this shade of bluish green, right? I can say it like that. It's awesome for you to paint, for example, your TV room, a bedroom, or an entry hall. Morning Light is in the palette, the blue palette, okay? You'll find it in the blue palette and also in the green palette, okay? It's kind of in between, let's put it that way, but you can find it in the blue palette. This color is almost like the twin sister of the color of the year that I mentioned to you at the beginning of this year. I told you about a very similar color. If you remember, leave a comment for me here, okay? A lot of people will recall it. It's almost a twin sister. This Morning Light is ideal for painting bedrooms because we know that shades of blue are calming, right? They help you relax. We know that, right? That cool tones give this feeling. It's spectacular for bedrooms. I also recommend using it in the TV area. It's a neutral color, right? It really reminds you of shades of gray, and it also goes well with gray tones. If you ask me to recommend another shade that goes well with Morning Light, gray tones will fit perfectly. Or even a darker shade of green, which I'm looking at here on the screen, but I'm showing you guys as well. It'll match, it'll look nice. This is my second super popular color trend that I picked out for you here, and I'm sure it's going to be a hit. Pastel pink. Now we're talking about a shade that's more on the pink side, right? A really light tone. It's also pretty neutral, okay guys? Very soft. So if you want to have a different color inside your house, pastel pink is a good choice. Here it really reminds us of those light pink shades, a kind of pink that I usually call a satin grayish pink, right? It's a really nice shade that you can use to paint the inside of your house, all the walls. Why? Because it's a very neutral, very light, very soft color that won't clash with your decor. So you can paint all the walls. You're free, for example, to choose a darker floor shade, some darker tones for the furniture, right? Darker woodwork, choosing pastel pink to be the main color. When I say main color, I mean the color that will appear the most in your project. Does it work for the exterior of your house? Yes, it does. Depending on your project, the combination you choose can also be a great option for the exterior of your house. My third color option for you here is really beautiful. To paint your house. Now, after you've seen these colors I just showed you and you're still unsure, like, Ed, I like these colors, it's nice, I like them, but I'm still unsure about how to combine them, how I can take Morning Light and match it with another shade. How can I take Intense Mist and combine it with another shade to paint the inside of my house, my apartment, or to paint the facade of my house? Relax, I thought about that too. Down here in the description of this video, there are two links, two ebooks of mine prepared with project examples of projects that I have already done, with combinations for you to paint the inside of your house and also the outside of your house, okay? There are two ebooks, Trending Colors and Trends for Facades and External Areas, and Trending Colors and Trends for Painting the Inside of Your House. Two ebooks, both made by me with a lot of research from validated project works that I created and selected for you, all right? The link for you to get them is down below. They're the first two links in the description of this video. And I'm sure you'll find in my ebooks the combinations you need to paint and have a beautiful color combination for your house. And to wrap things up here, whenever I talk about colors with you, I always suggest you buy a color sample first. Don't go buying a whole can of paint in the amount you need to paint your house right away. Did you like any of the colors I mentioned here? Okay, buy a small sample. It's cheap, 20 or 30 reais, and test it out. Did you like it? Is that really what you want? Then you go and have the color made in the total amount you need to paint your house. Usually these colors I showed you here, you'll need to have them made. They're not ready-made colors. They're custom-made colors. So you buy the sample, do a little test. If you like it and approve it, then you go and buy the right amount to paint your house, both inside and outside. And the links to the ebooks are down here in the description. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe, leave your like, let us know in the comments if you would use any of these colors here, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.